I believe that there are so many great teachers out there, and I myself have met a lot of great teachers in my life. But for me, there are three teachers that have strongly influenced my life and have made me who I am today. The first two are my parents. In my opinion, family is everyone's first classroom, and parents are children's first teachers. My father has taught and shown me what discipline and persistence mean. He always encouraged me not to give up and committed to reach my dream. My mother has taught me by always showing real examples. She never told me to do things that I needed to do. Instead, she taught by examples. One strong lesson that I have learned from her is that whatever you do it to help other people and do it with your heart. And that's what I also learned from Mr. Johannes Baptista Gunawan, my teacher or lecturer when I studied during my undergraduate in Sanata Dharma University, Yogyakarta, Indonesia. I would admit that he has been one of the best role models in my teaching career, both academically and non-academically. Academically, he teaches me that the moment I enter my classroom as a teacher, I have to free myself from judging and labeling my students. And that's what he did. He always saw every student as a potential individual. Therefore, he always motivated us not to be afraid of making mistakes when learning. He told us that the process of learning was more important than the product. Non-academically, he is a very beautiful soul. He is very humble, always tried to help and listen to his students, and he really dedicated himself to help students. For me, he is a teacher that makes a difference in my life and other students' life. He has touched many hearts because he teaches from the heart, and he is Mr. Gunawan. Thank you.